Okay, so I wanted to take this new computer for through its paces a little bit. This is a brand new System 76 Gazelle that they shipped out to me within the last couple of weeks here. I'm just getting used to it. Good way to take it through its paces is to play around with a little program that I wrote, and let's go through it. Let's see if we can make some weather data into a Minecraft chart, and that'll really exercise this thing, capturing video and running Minecraft and generating this map. So what we want to do is we want to visualize the temperature, and I have some data in this repository going back to I think the 1700s, the early 1700s. So it's maybe 250 years worth of weather data. And when we look at that in Minecraft, we're going to see the shape of temperature over time. So that'll be kind of cool to be able to visualize. And there's a couple of data sets in here just to play with. The screen capture from here is I made with my old computer, and it was of some market data from the stock exchange. But we also have this data here of temperatures historically. Let's see, where does this go back to? It's 1763, it looks like. So let me show you how this works. Little bit of computer magic here to get this going. We're going to clone this code that I wrote. And then we're going to start going through. Let's see what instructions I wrote for myself. I have to make sure I've got Java. Java version 1107, that's good. Then we'll do the install on these things. Just copy and paste them. Okay, we needed those three things. Let's check and see that we have node. We do. We got a newer node. So let's go into our Minegraph code. Make sure everything's installed. I wrote this and then made it so it would run the demo with the market data, but we're going to change this over to the weather data. Let's do node weather Milan. See what happens. Yep, okay. Data.json. Alright. So now we should be able to do Python 3 graph. Oh, now we're chewing up some. Well, it doesn't look like CPU is even using that much. But I can hear my fan starting to go. There we go. Let's see if we have a file. There it is. Graph.mca. Okay, so now what we want to do is start up Minecraft, and then we're going to replace one of the Minecraft Anvil files in a world with this file, and we'll be able to see what it looks like. Let me go ahead and get that out of the way. Minecraft launcher. Rather than, and when you click play, I've noticed it downloads whatever the latest is, but if you go to installations, you can just hit play. Whatever, just play it. Oh, it's downloads stuff anyway, which is obnoxious. I don't know why Minecraft insists on doing that. You can see the network. The yellow graph is doing its thing. All while capturing HD video. See if this can handle this better than my old computer. Mojang, that's a good sign. Capturing HD video, 30 frames per second on top of this. Alright, let's see. Make a new world, huh? Did I make a new world? Creative mode. Let's delete that, make a whole new world. A whole new world. Graph of Milan weather. Game mode, creative. There we go. Generate structures off. Bonus chests off. I think it was super flat. It's fine. Done. Alright, cool. Now we're starting to make a little bit of a dent and ramp. Okay. Got a world here. Fly around a little bit. Let's go into options. Let's do like 20 chunks since we have the RAM for it. We can do the frame rate down to 30. View bombing off. Graphics fast. Biome blend, clouds off, that's good. Should be pretty quick. Alright, so in order to figure out, look at all those chunks rendering, look at that. Ooh, alright. Look at all this random mobs. Okay. Negative 100. So I'm looking at the XYZ here, and we've still got our single player game in there. So what we want to do is copy our graph.mca to the right. I think we've got, is it under saves maybe? Yeah. And then there's a region file. And the way Minegraph does this is we want the positive one, 0.0.mca. We're going to overwrite that file. Alright, let's see what we got. Whoa. Hold on, let's maximize this. There we go. Alright. So this must be January over here. And the start of the graph. Let's go up over top of it. We'll see 200 years worth of weather. Look at that. Look at that right there. That's the last 200 years worth of weather from January to December. Looks awesome. You can really see how hot the last 10 years have been. There's so much more hot weather. Let's go back in time. 100 years. 200 years. 250 years. You can just in the distance make out the 2010s. There it is. That's it. Well, that's what I wanted to show. It really stands out how much warmer it's been in the last 10 years, doesn't it? This is visually showing you global warming. Really cool. Thanks for watching.